How to change PayPal business account to personal. So for this, I've logged into my PayPal account, and right here we want to scroll all the way down until we see contact. So just click on contact here and it will refer us to another page. So contact us, and if we search for personal, then nothing will appear. You will only see business solutions. So right here, we want to scroll down until we see message us. Chat with a PayPal assistant immediately or leave a message for an agent. So we'll just click on message us. And this PayPal assistant will pop up, and let's see what it's going to do. So, hi, I'm your PayPal assistant. Ask me a question. If you can, then I'll transfer you to a customer support agent. So I will just type out here, I would like to change my business PayPal account back to a personal account, please. And I'm going to send this message. So let's see what it gives us as information. I found some useful articulation. No, I need more help. This is what we choose. And let's see what it comes up with. I can transfer this conversation to an agent. Our reply may take a few seconds. So once I transfer this conversation, may I please close the window and return it? Would you like to send this conversation to customer support agent? Then we will send or click on yes. And now this is going to send, give us this option, send us this out message before, transaction ID, so on and so forth. So right here, I will type out again, I would like to convert my business PayPal account back to a personal account because I no longer run a business. Please assist me. And we can send this like so, and we will end the message. You're ending the message with PayPal. A PayPal customer will no longer, okay, never mind. We will cancel this. So we send this, and now if you know the transaction ID, an agent will write back to you in PayPal Message Center during business hours. So now we will actually have to wait here for a response from the agent, and they will take us through the process of converting our PayPal business account to a personal account. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.